Welcome to Hobby Trendy channel. In this video, we are going to set up the seat embroidery stand. The seat embroidery stand comes in 3 parts. There's a base, onto which you fix the upright stand, with a screw at the bottom. The top section is where you attach your hoops. The top part goes in, through the hole. You can adjust the height of the stand to your liking. The wing nut, the swiveling arm and the tightening knob allows you to do easy embroidering, using both hands. You can use the stand as tabletop or use the stand as it's tucked under your legs, while you're sitting. You can adjust the angle and tighten the swivel. When you want to access the back, just loosen the wing nut and flip over the hoop. At our store, there's a variety of embroidery hoops. The range comes in different sizes and thicknesses. 8mm, 16mm and 17mm in thickness. This hoop we're using is 31 centimeters in size and 16 millimeters in thickness. There are round, square, wooden and plastic hoops. The smallest hoop is around 6 centimeters while the largest is around 42 centimeters. You may use the hoops you have as long as they fit the opening in the swiveling arm. We'd like to see you at Hobby Trendy store. Thanks for watching.